Welcome to my video.
What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another banger. As you can see by the title and the thumbnail, you know what this video is about. If you don't understand, I'm making lasagna mozzarella sticks. So I'm going to show you how I make it. I got this recipe strictly off Instagram. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna make it. We're gonna get ready. I got the stove already on for the macaroni noodles. For the lasagna noodles, you're gonna need one box of this. You're gonna need flour. You're gonna need some of this, but any flavor of your choice. You're gonna need breadcrumbs, mozzarella. You're gonna need egg, mozzarella sticks, or you can use the regular mozzarella. And for me, I'm going to be using this as well. And cornstarch. I'm gonna turn the camera around so we can get started. You know, lasagna noodles do take a long time to cook, so we're gonna cook there first. Then we're gonna come back and we're going to do the process. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell to let you know when I am dropping another video. If you haven't do so, please go check out my other videos. I have other videos as well. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is KLW. I do long form, short form content, and I am a gamer. If you want to follow me all on my social media, just go to my bio on YouTube and you will see my link tree with all of my social medias, and check out my online business as well, you guys, because I did launch it in March and I'm trying to get some more sales. And back to school is coming up and I have a child and I'm doing it by myself. I'll go check it out, you guys. Let's get started. Oh, if you're not new here, welcome back to another video. Thank you for um time after time supporting me, watching my channels, and y'all be more active in the comments. If you active in the comments, drop a comment and like it will push my videos out to the for you on YouTube, you guys. I will really appreciate it, and check out my community tab as well. I also do post on there, especially when I'm dropping another video. It will be on my community tab to let you know when I'm dropping a video. So let's get started once again. We're not going to break them. We're just gonna let it melt down, go down by itself, and I'll see you once it is done, you guys. Okay, I am back. The noodles is done right now. We're going to be cutting the the mozzarella sticks. You just cut them in half. While I be doing this, the noodles is going to be getting cooled down. Just cut it like that. That's all you need. I got some more in there, but it's not a recipe I want to do. I want to make some more bread. I want to make some more cheese mozzarella sticks, but with hot flaming hot Cheetos on it. That's gonna be in another video as well, you guys. Okay, so right here we got the egg yolk. We got the flour and cornstarch in here, and you got the bread crumbs over here. I might not use all of the lasagna noodles. I don't know yet. Then after we done with the whole process, we do have to put them in the refrigerator. I mean, in the freezer for a whole hour. I forgot we need this. So we're gonna move this. And place it right here. Can y'all see that? Yeah, y'all can see that. As you can see, these bitches is still hot. We're gonna cut these right here in the middle. Oh, hold on, y'all. Okay, I'm back. They was hot, so I'm gonna just do them as I go. Oh, I need this. We're gonna, you want to put a little bit of this. Oh, I forgot to put the oil, so we're gonna do the oil now.
What?
We're gonna do it like this. I'm gonna start with one first. Hope y'all can see that chat. Hold on, let me go get my I am back. One thing I like is lasagna noodles. It comes apart, so hold on, y'all. I'm gonna do it. I'm back. I had to switch, you guys. Only time I have it in letting it stay. Hold on, y'all. Okay, we're gonna do this one. We're gonna it should be on the other side. I hope you can see that, you guys. This is very messy. And I'm gonna do the same thing for this. Here we go. I am not. This is my first time doing this. I'm gonna come back once everything is done. Y'all, I'm back. This is how they look so far. We gonna see how they come out all the way done. We're gonna see how they come out. It is 5:25 now. I let it sit in the refrigerator for an hour. So once the hour hit, we're going to be back and we're going to be making the lasagna cheese sticks. Please like, comment, subscribe, turn on your notification bell to let you know when I'm dropping another video. Once again, I will be back. Okay, I am back. It's been exactly 20. It's been exactly an hour. It's been exactly an hour. I decided to put it in the deep fry because it's gonna be better to cook. I'm gonna cook them 3 at a time, you guys. I see why when they say put it in the fridge for an hour. It doesn't come off when you put it in the freezer. I cannot wait to try these guys with you all. So we'll be back in a few. I had cleaned. I took out the old oil and put the new oil in there. So I'm gonna be back in a minute, you guys. I was saying in the part of the blog that it was almost done. I believe it's the second batch or the first batch. I'm gonna rate it a 7 just because I didn't make it. I didn't make it right. I rated it a 7 all in all. I had bought the marinara sauce from Aldi's, and this will be the end of this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell to let you know when I'm dropping another video. Go check out my other videos that's already posted. I will see you guys in another video, you guys. Thank you for your support once again. Like I said, I get it out of 7. I didn't do bad, but I ain't do good. I ain't do bad, but I ain't do good either. Everything that's written wrong. For me, I can't never. I was saying I should have used the egg rolls, the one you do the egg rolls. I think that would have been better.